Hello and welcome to Informatica Support Videos. Today I'm going to be talking about the Informatica Test Data Management Data Subset for SAP version 6.1D product and how to resolve an authorization error that can be issued when a user is trying to process a data subset project, and that authorization error that would be issued would be called S TABU DIS. My name is George Klein, and during this session we'll be talking about what is the authorization error message S TABU DIS, what causes the error message to be issued, and what we can do to prevent that error message from stopping a user from processing a data subset project. Data Subset is a powerful application that allows a basis administrator to create small lean clients from a very large SAP instance. For example, there could be a production SAP instance that is several terabytes large, and using this tool you can create a much smaller SAP instance for a QA or dev environment that may be 600 to 800 gigabytes. The product can also be used by functional users to move smaller subsets of a particular business area data from one SAP instance to another. For example, a HR user may want to move a few employees from one instance to another with all their payroll, all their master data, and so forth, so to a development or QA client to do further testing or make corrections to whatever the issue may be. When a SAP basis administrator wants to build a lean client, they're going to be moving over large amounts of data and many tables, and some of those tables will be basis administration tables as well as security administrator tables, and they have to have a certain level of authorization to be able to write those tables, where a functional user generally doesn't have that authorization. And when a functional user, if or in our example the HR person would try to move those employees over, when he would create the project, generate the project, and when trying to process the project, the error message would be issued S TABU DIS. And this is what the error message looks like when the project was attempted to process, or when you click on the process button. What do we need to do to allow that HR user to get past this error message? Well, there is a global parameter that is provided with the product that is configurable to allow that level of authorization to be skipped for the functional user. So let's go over to an SAP instance and I will show you how to make that configuration change. Okay, here we are at our SAP instance. So we want to access the Test Data Management Data Subset product by going into the product's main area menu, and you do that by going into transaction /n/ get st main, and this takes us to the main area menu of the product. We go into the setup folder and we click on the Maintain Informatica ILM Suite Global Parameters. Okay, and this brings up a list of the global parameters. We go into update mode, and you'll see this GC skip authorization check parameter. All you do is you put in a capital X and click on the save button. You can go out, and that's all there is to it. Now when a functional user tries to process one of their projects, that message will no longer be issued, and the project can go ahead and go into a running state and complete as expected. Let me just show you that one more time. You go into the setup folder, click on the Maintain Informatica ILM Suite Global Parameters, click on the Update mode, look at the global parameter GC skip authorization check and place a capital X in that for that value, and then click on the Save button. I'm just going to take the X out, deactivate this, and I'll save it and go back out, and that's how you change that parameter. I hope this support video has been helpful. We'd love to hear from you. You can contact us at supportvideos@informatica.com or Twitter through https://twitter.com/infasupport. Thank you and have a nice day.